Okay, mayong buntag. Deta karon diri sa Bohol Wisdom School.
Thank you, Mama.
Then we are having a demo on acrylic painting. So this was made for just 35 minutes or less than an hour acrylic painting. All right.
Hey guys, we are here in Bohol Wisdom School.
This is Sir Elvin's artwork, guys. Because Sir Elvin will not reverse sketch. Sir Elvin will just apply colors immediately. But for you, you can start sketching. Okay? So,
And then as you can see, the kids are doing great with their artworks, having fun with their paintings, their own interpretation of still life. Alright, as you can see, a lot of students in the contemporary arts are enjoying doing their masterpieces. And here with us with Sir Felix Miguel, who is a great artist and a book author. Muna siya nag-discuss all about the principles of
signed
arts,
by
right?
the two artists, Sir Felix Miguel and Sir Elvin Vitor. Okay, so who will win this certificate with the signature of the two artists, Sir Elvin?
And then as you notice nga passionate gid kayo mga student no nga paint no dari na gid sila sa sawog painting. And then as you can see nga na feature ta sa Wisdom School about sa atong artworks last time nga exhibit sa Capitol. Alright, daghan gid kayo silang mga estudyante nga ning participate ani nga seminar no. And then they are happy.
Ano siya, hardworking student.
Yan sir. Mag-pray siya guys. Thank you. Uy, thank you, Lan. Thank you, Lan. Thank you, Lan. Narugan ako.
Kamot na gid niya ang iyang painting no. So apply the medium. Iya sige paning kamutan no. And then there are some students who made some contemporary approach in their artwork, and they give some concept on what they've seen na still life, but in the other angle ilang interpret through their painting. So as you can see na
experience, not kept. So that was the reason for my art.
Because of the inspiration, may 100 pesos ka. Okay, so that makes
and then sa pagpakita sa ilang mga paintings, as you can see nga nindot gid kayo ang mga trabaho sa mga students sa Bohol Wisdom School na less than an hour naka-create sila of still life in their own interpretation. And then as you notice nga nagdemo ta the traditional way of still life no, so in a realism form. And then thankful ta sa Bohol Wisdom and to Sir Gutang. Alright, thank you so much.